So today I'm gonna show you how to repair a carpet, a damaged carpet. Okay, the simple and easy way. Very simple. Okay, all you need is this like a spatula. Okay, you need just your razor, a knife, scissors, just in case. I don't gonna use this one. No, I don't need it, but just in case. This glue tape. Okay, it's for carpet, and you can get this Home Depot or Menards. And this one a rag, okay, a wet rag, a wet towel, and one iron, okay. This is all you need for this job. The first step is just clean all this, the area where you're gonna fix. Just clean, make sure it's nice and clean. Okay. All right, that's good. That's good. And then you're going to start with one straight cut. I'm gonna do this one first. I'm going to cut it from here to somewhere here. Okay, a little more bigger than the damaged area. Okay, I'm gonna start from here to here. Only one straight cut. Okay, I already cut. This is a straight cut. It doesn't have to be perfect. This first cut is gonna be very important. Okay, this is gonna be our guide, and I'm gonna cut this one just like that. For this cut, it really doesn't matter. Okay, just cut it like that to remove this piece. That one, it doesn't matter. You can cut it however you want. Okay. All right. Just like that. Okay. This is a guide. Okay, this one, the straight cut, doesn't have to be perfect. And then you remove the left, the leftover, and we will start repairing this one. Okay. So now you have your big piece. Don't come like very like that. Don't be exact with this like this. No, you want this one more like this. Okay, always give the extra, and then you going to mark where you're gonna cut it. Here. Okay, here you're gonna cut it right here. You do your little cut, your little mark, and you're just gonna cut it here. Okay, and then you turn it. Here is my mark that I put it. Now you want this one as straight as possible, and you're gonna follow this mark. You see these marks? Okay, you're just gonna follow this one with your knife, and you're gonna cut it straight. Okay, I'll show you. So I'm gonna follow this one like that. Just cut it like this. Follow that line like that. Like that, you see. This is quick, just because I'm using just one hand. It's a little bit slow, but just like that. This is a small repair, so just like that. Now this is loose, okay, and I'm gonna cut it more bigger than the hole. So it's just going to be, I'm gonna cut it here, like that, okay. All right, here's my piece. Okie dokie. Let's put this one away. And what is my cut? Okay, here. So this one is gonna be here, like that. Okay, like that. It's gonna be like that. Okay, this one is still too long. It doesn't matter, because this one we're gonna glue this part first, and then we're going to push this one with this tool. With this tool, we're gonna put this one in here like that, under the base trim. Under the base trim. So it doesn't matter if it's long. We can pull this one under the base trim. You can give it like 1 inch or 3/4 longer. Okay. Now we have this one, and I need to make this one looking good when it's closing. Like that. Okay. You can see this is not the right size. This is more big. It doesn't matter. We just want this one to be glued first, and then we're gonna glue this part. Don't worry. Okay. All right. So I see it, and it's working. Okay. Now when you have this already, you're gonna grab your tape, and you're gonna cut a little bit bigger than this from here to here, right? A little more bigger. So I'm gonna cut it here. There we go. And this one we're gonna put under here, the glue. this glue, you activate this glue with the heat. That's why we need the iron to work. There we go. Make sure you, in this line, you center this line with this edge, and the new one, the new carpet, the other edge, the other center, like that. Okay. Now you grab your good piece and you put it here like that. Okay, make sure you're getting the best you can do here. Okay, and then you are good to go. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the iron, and I'm gonna place the wet rag here, and I'm gonna put the iron like that. Okay, I'll show you. All right, now I'm gonna place this one like that, making sure it's looking good. Okay, don't worry about the excess. Don't worry about that one. Just focus on your line that you did. Okay, I already turned on my my iron. I already wet this towel. I'm gonna place this one here like that. Okay, just where the seam is and the glue is, and use your iron and just, there you go. Just hold it, press down and hold. Let go, press down and hold. Press down and hold. And do this for at least maybe 2-3 minutes, because you want this the heat to touch the glue that is underneath the carpet, so the glue can be activated. Right? Do like this. Go like that. You can take a look and you can come back and do it the same thing. Very simple, very simple. I just focus on one small cut, one seam, and then after that I'm gonna focus on the rest. So that way I don't have to measuring to match the pieces of, you know, the shape of the repair hole. So here, very simple, very simple. You do this with the small repairs, and also you can do the same thing with the big repairs. Yeah, I just repaired my daughter's bathroom. Her dog destroyed her carpet, so I just did that. It was a big mess, and I used this method to fix it. It was a big repair in her room. Now it's looking as a brand new. All in there. Okay. Don't let this one just like that, because you can burn the towel and then pass through the towel and burn your carpet. So don't leave your iron without supervision. Okay. Now leave this one in the safe place to avoid accidents. Okay, I'm done with this one. Now this is looking good. Okay, the first cut. Okay, the more important one is complete. And you can come here and just, you know, do like this. Okay, moving all the time. You don't want to burn your carpet. Burn. Move all the time. Press, press. Okay. Let's see if the glue is, this one moves everything like that, like at once. It's because the glue, everything is attached to the glue. Okay, the two seams, the two pieces is attached to the glue, because you can see it moves like one piece. Okay, so this is good to go now. Now the next one is down here. It's a steel carpet, and I don't have to worry about measuring and trying to cut the same, you know, as to match the underneath carpet hole. No, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut from here straight. The same cut is gonna cut both this one and this carpet. I'm gonna cut like this, one like the all through, very strong. Push down and go, bang, and then from here you can go, bang, and that's it. Okay, show you. Okay, here it is there. Okay, I'm gonna cut it here. You see? This one and here. Now from here you can cut it like that. Let's help it a little bit here. Okay, and then you have your perfect match. This one match nice and perfect. You see? Okay, now grab your egg. A little one. Yes, you have. Make sure you have glue for this side, glue for this side. Okay. Now, nice. Try to glue this one like that. Make sure you're. Okay. Okay, nice. This close. Okay. And now we're gonna use the glue item to activate the glue the same way we did the first time. Remember, keep moving. Keep moving. Testing if it is glue. I can see both are glue already. With this one, just push like this. Press down here like that. You see? Very simple. And just clean a little bit here and there. Okay. And it's complete. It is complete now. And this is the final look. I think it's okay. It's not bad, it's better than it was before. This is a closer look. Yeah. Right? Yeah, I think it's good, man. And you don't have to think too much, okay? All right, everybody, have a good day.